sound. This is the first lesson. There is English phonics. We are going to review about the beginning sound. Alright, this is a picture of socks. Socks. What is the beginning sound of socks? The first sound that you are hearing, there is socks. Next, apple. 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 And then, please try to find this beginning sound of table. Table. Yes, the beginning sound from table is table. Now, please fill the Google form that I already shared to your parents. And there is the worksheet for English phonics. Next lessons, we are moved to science. In here, we will learn about colors. There are so many colors around us. Green, red, blue, and purple. Please look at this picture. Yes, this is a picture of table. The color is blue. Blue table. Next, please look at this picture. Yes, this is a picture of green leaf. And please check this picture. Apples. Very good. The color is red. Red apples. Hi kids, for science, please take your activity book Rainbow Science 1 and open page 21. There are two numbers on 21. There is number 2 and number 1. Okay, we try to read this word. Say green. Green. We find the fruit who has green color. Yes, pear. Green pear. This word say red. Red. Which one is the fruit has red color? Strawberry, orange, or banana? Orange. Oh, orange. Oh no. Strawberries. Strawberries has red color. Next, this word say yellow and this word say orange. It's your turn. Please find the yellow fruit and the orange fruit. Thank you. This is the third lesson. It's math. Please take your math book. In here, we will learn about number 5. When we want to counting, we always start from number 1. Let's be counting together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I would like to show my finger and let's be counting my left finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, my left finger has 5 fingers. I mean, my left hand has 5 fingers. And here, number 5. How to write number 5? You're going to write the straight line down and the big tummy. There is number 5. Hi kids, for your math, please take your student book Rainbow Math and open page 18 and then look at this picture. There is a number 5. Yeah, remember, I would like to show you how to write number 5. Follow the direction, strike, down, and big tummy. That's how to write number 5. Let's do it on this side. Strike, Please start always from the left side, yeah, left to the right and then down with tummy. After that, I need you to do it by yourself. Then let's tick the 5 children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 children. Thank you.